Everyone thinks the best-selling gas water heaters are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Ranine 4.3 GPM heater. Let's kick things off with the Ranine natural gas tankless water heater, boasting a powerful 4.3 GPM and heating up to 100,000 BTU. Priced at $319.15, this unit caught my eye for its impressive specs. If you want a reliable source of endless hot water, this is worth a serious look. With 4 intelligent preset modes, it adjusts easily for kitchen or bath needs, making it user-friendly. The precision temperature control ensures your family stays safe with a high-temp lock, which is crucial for kids and elderly users. Plus, the oxygen-free copper heat exchanger improves efficiency, while the antifreeze protection makes it ideal for cooler climates. Now, some folks did mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, while it might not be silent, the performance it delivers often outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized family and need hot water for multiple fixtures at once. Skip this one if you're looking for something smaller or quieter. For the features it offers, I'd say it's a solid value for the money. Now, if the noise factor bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2: Ranine 3.6 GPM heater. Next up, we have another Ranine model, this time the 3.6 GPM heater priced at $222.97. This one is slightly more affordable but still packs a punch. If you're looking for efficiency without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. With an output of 80,000 BTU, this heater supports 2-3 fixtures at once, making it a good fit for smaller households. The smart temperature control eliminates those annoying hot and cold spikes, ensuring a more comfortable experience. The dual heating chambers enhance efficiency, so you're not wasting energy, and the child lock feature is a nice touch for safety. However, some users reported that it struggled a bit under heavy demand. But here's the thing: for a smaller family, or if you don't run multiple hot water sources at once, it does a good job overall. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller home and primarily need hot water for kitchen and bath use. Skip this if you often use multiple showers or fixtures simultaneously. For its price and features, it's an excellent deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a higher output. Product number 3: Ranine 5.3 GPM heater. Coming in strong, we have the Ranine natural gas tankless water heater with an impressive 5.3 GPM and 130,000 BTU, priced at $548.10. If you need plenty of hot water for a larger family, this one's worth your attention. This unit eliminates wait times thanks to its powerful output, meaning you can run several showers and appliances simultaneously. Plus, the compact size makes it easy to fit in tight spaces. This heater also comes with a 2-year warranty, which is a bonus for peace of mind. That said, some users found it a bit tricky to install without professional help. But honestly, for the performance and longevity it offers, a little extra help is worth it in the end. This is perfect for you if you have a large household and need constant hot water. Skip it if you're tight on space or don't need that much capacity. It's a great investment for larger families. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next one has some unique features. Product number 4: Thermomate 18-gallon heater. Next on our list is the Thermomate electric tank water heater, priced at $360.99. Now, this isn't gas, but it's a great option for a point-of-use setup. If you want hot water right where you need it, this is worth checking out. This 18-gallon tank provides enough hot water for a quick shower or kitchen use. What's great is it can be adjusted from 90 degrees F to 150 degrees F, so you can customize it to your preferences. The INCOLOY 800 heating element provides better corrosion resistance and efficiency, which is a huge plus for longevity. Plus, the UL-listed safety features provide peace of mind. However, you might find this unit doesn't have the same capacity as a traditional tankless heater. But if you're using it for a specific use like a sink or shower, it's perfect, and the compact design can fit just about anywhere. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a smaller, efficient heater for specific applications. Skip this if you need hot water for multiple fixtures at once. For what it offers, it's a solid investment for specific needs. Alright, that wraps up the Thermomate. But if you're specifically after gas, the final product is a standout. Product number 5, Orbeck 4.3 GPM heater. Finally, we have the Orbeck tankless water heater, priced at $239.99 and featuring a solid output of 4.3 GPM. If you want reliability at a great price, this one could be your pick. With its ability to provide instant hot water for up to 3 fixtures, it's perfect for a typical family setup. It's also energy efficient, which helps save on bills in the long run. However, some users mentioned it can take a little longer to heat water compared to more expensive models. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much efficiency, it performs well for what it costs. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable hot water. Skip this if you need rapid heating or have high-demand needs. Given its price and features, it's a solid choice for most families. So there you have it, Ranning's options cater to large demands, while Thermomate offers a compact alternative and Orbeck stands out for budget-conscious buyers. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice. Happy shopping!